Today we're going to make a Hot Wheels monster trucks track with all of these cars. And now let's open it. Let's pick this up and face it to my side. Hey, stay here, Mr. Trucky.
Let me help you.
Now Grumpy Baba's helping me now.
Grumpy Baba.
Oh, beautiful Baba.
Yeah.
Sharpie scissors.
Yeah.
Kids are not allowed to use scissors. It's not
Kids are not
good.
allowed. Good boy. You always need to get a help from a grown-up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll give you all of this. This is the booklet. Yeah. This is the book which shows how you have to build it. Okay. And the stickers are inside.
Stickers?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes.
For
These are stickers, guys. Look. These are stickers. Okay, both green. I can do both green.
yeah. And then
And
yeah.
put this
And
in.
look, you have to push it like this.
And that one I can do.
Okay, do it. No, look, I'll do it for you. Now, just park the car here properly. Are you ready, sir?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Whoa!
I was supposed to say 3. Well done, well done. That was so cool.
I can even. And now even go up here. Impossible. Now I'm choose this monster truck. How big is this? Oh yeah! Whoa! 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Oh my god! Whoa! That's amazing. Now, I'm going to put this in. I think. Whoa!
Yeah. This one comes in.
Whoa!
Hold on, leave it there. Leave
That
it
one was super fast.
there. Third one. Look at me.
Oh! It did.
Go.
Next.
Well done. Last one.
Yay! Give me a high five.